So when you get the kit from us, after you've done a quote, when we do the quote, you'll get a paper kind of like this that designates where the posts go and where we start the cables and which post to start at when you're starting to do your installation. So this is like your instruction guide, and here is the part numbers for all the posts and where they go, and they're color coded too. So when you get this kit that we send out, your post will come something like this, and the part number will be underneath this top plate. So when you take this piece of 1x6 off, there will be a part number on there, and that'll coincide with the directions here of where you need to mount that. Also, we will give you directions of which post that we think you should start with when you start laying this out, because there is a significance to that. The other thing you'll get is you'll get enough of these 1x14 screws, stainless steel screws, to mount the top cap, and they're 1 inch, and then also you'll get enough of number 14 stainless steel screws that's 2 inches long to mount all the face plates, along with an appropriate driver for that. Sometimes people don't have this bit, it takes a number 3 bit for this, and all the ends to swage your cables. And we will give you the appropriate number of cables that you need that's been cut to rough length. They're terminated on one end, and you string those through and you stretch that, which is in our tensioning videos, and we do wrench of the material, the tools to go ahead and stretch those cables. So that's what you'll get in your kit. In the past, we had been doing the 1x4 oak on the top cap, but it just became a shipping hassle, and people can furnish that for themselves pretty easily, so we kind of deleted that out of the kits.